In this part, we are going to learn another letter of Sinhalese alphabet. What is the letter? You know, the. What is this letter? Halnainu. This is also Halnainu. You know this Halnainu. This is also same. This is Halnainu. This is also Halnainu. In this place we use this letter. We can't use this letter. It is the rule. Gang, Dainuit, Arapil, Ganga, Gayanu, Halnainu, Gayanu, Vayanu, Gandava. This is Halnainu. This is also Halnainu. Gayanu, Halnainu, Gayanu, Vayanu, Gangava, Gava, meaning R-I-V-E-R, river. Gangava, Gayanu, Halnainu, Gayanu, Vayanu. Gangava, Halnainu. This is also Halnainu. But we can't use this Halnainu in this place. It is a rule. Gangava. Gala, Gayanu, Layanu, Gala, 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 meaning stone. Gala, stone. Ganga, river. This is, what is this letter? Ba. This letter, Sa, with Hal Kirima, Hal Sayanu, bus. This letter is A. This letter is K. Bus, Ek, Bayanu, Hal Kirime, Lapunas, with Sayanu, bus. Enu kainu ek. Bayanu halsayanu enu kainu ek. Bus ek. Bus. Bus ek. Bus. Bayanu. Layanu with hal kirima. Hal layanu. Bal. Layanu with Alapilla, La, Balla, Balla, Layanu with Halkirima, Layanu with Alapilla, Bayanu, Bayanu, Hallayanu, Layanu, Balla, 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 meaning D-O-G, dog. What is this letter? Now, this letter, Halnainu. This also Halnainu. This also Halnainu. This and this same. Nang. This is Gayanu. Dirga spill. Gi. Nangi. Nayanu, Halnayanu, Giyanu, Nangi, Nayanu, Halnayanu, Giyanu, Nangi. Nangi, what is the meaning? Young Y-O-U-N-G, young sister. Younger sister. Gayanu, Halnayanu, Gayanu, Vayanu, Ganga, river. Gayanu, Layanu, Gala, stone. Bayanu, Alsayanu, Ayanu, Kayanu, bus එක. BUS. Bayanu, Hallayanu, Layanu, Balla, dog. Nayanu, Halnayanu, Giyam, Nangi, younger sister. Today your class is over. Let us meet another day. Goodbye. Thank you.